who is ready for June? I'm so excited for June. Let's get into June. I'm gonna open up this book. I'm gonna let members and team members follow up with any last lingering questions here in the chat box, but I'm gonna go ahead and dive in for June. Okay, let's open this beautiful book, and before you open to June, let's open to that third, fourth page to our June chalkboard. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little tour of this chalkboard for June because this is the June art. Fun little history. This art, if you're an art history nerd, you might already know this, but this art is very much directly inspired by Thomas Cole's work, The Voyage of Life, Youth. And Thomas Cole did a series of these beautiful paintings, and each of them kind of depicted a different stage of life. And so this is very much modeled after The Voyage of Life, Youth, and it inspired Nathaniel so much for a huge part of his life, just the castle in the sky and just being led down the river, and he just loves this piece. It's one of his favorites. So he was so excited to kind of do his own version in fantasy and in small world with gnomes and fairies, and he just did a beautiful, beautiful job. So if you want to look at the inspiration, look that up and you will see how well of a job he did paying homage to Thomas Cole. It is really, really beautiful. So I will do a little tour here, okay? So we have little snippets of each of the June stories in this beautiful piece of art. So week 1 over here, we have, let's do our little top down. Over here, we have a scene from picnic week. And of course, in the story, everyone's there, but he kind of masterfully chose who's gonna go where. So this is the first chalkboard that you really get to see all the characters in their kind of true current form. So we get to see everyone on this board, so everyone's kind of somewhere else. But this is a depiction of our picnic week scene, which is super sweet. Rudabug playing guitar and Sapphire singing there as they watch the clouds and eat their little sandwiches. And for week 2, gardening week, we have a few little snippets. We have Emerald here with a little ladybug, and then we have Morrison here playing his dandelion trumpet for a dandelion band, and then that is blowing some little puffs, and Tourmaline here is floating up into a sky on a little dandelion, and Amber is looking up there at her, and so we have a sweet little dandelion scene. Week 3, we have strawberry week, and we have this gorgeous scene of Ruby painting the strawberries down here, which I just love. She is just gorgeous. And then up here, we have the Summer's Day, the last week of the summer festival and the summer games we have kind of depicted here more in full. So we have Petty Palm here with Sister Flame going down the boat, pointing to the castle in the sky. This is actually the kind of opening ceremony of their summer games for Summer's Day, which is really fun. You have Pearl and Puddabloom there guiding him down, and so he is on his way to actually light the torch for their summer games, and he's pointing to the castle in the sky because a Prince of Summer has arrived. And then we get a picture here of Eliza and Citrine up in the corner here. They are doing a flight race for the summer games. So you get to see who edges out there for their little games. And then Amethyst down here, can't forget her. She is dipping her toes in the water. So we get a little picture of each of the fairies, everyone scattered around here, and it is just absolutely stunning. So beautiful, beautiful, and so many of those little scenes are depicted in this chalkboard. And as you read the stories, you'll get to see a little more.